Hey, what's going on, guys? It's been a while since I've been on here. I just wanted to step away from my work. Been working around the clock, of course, with a few things. So, if you remember from my last video, I shared a little bit about my history, who I am, and what I'm starting as a business, as a coach, as a bodybuilder, motivator, to inspire people, to encourage people to live a healthier, happier lifestyle in any way possible. So, I just wanted to, like I said, I've been doing some thinking and I want to give this place a bit of a personal touch. So, there's been upgraded lighting, new equipment, of course, the sign. There we go. And this is just freshly done. So, as you know, the wall behind me was black with patchwork. So I figured it needed a facelift. So we got some yellow going on. It needs one more coat, but so with that said, I thought, you know what? This started out as just a wall, and it was pretty incredible. When I started seeing a vision, I'm like, wait a minute, I can do more things with this. So I also want to share with you guys new addition to Iron Life Gym, Drini's Fuel Bar. Welcome aboard. Just a sneak preview. My first project, it wasn't the easiest colors to paint, but so with that said, I'm going to be making up a menu. I've been thinking about some pretty creative shake names. I've got shaker cups for purchase. I'm going to have awesome shakes that you guys could also purchase. And I have coffee here. So I have all kinds of great things happening here. So I'm overwhelmed. It's been a lot of work. There's still a ton of work to do in this. So I didn't want to make this video too long, but I just wanted to share this pretty cool, unique touch. And I thought I got to do something pretty neat. And well, there you guys have it. So welcome to Iron Life Gym and Drini's Fuel Bar. So anyhow, yeah, it's been a lot of work. It's a lot of detail goes into this, and I'm doing as much as I can on my own. It's been very inspirational and personal for me, and I'm pretty proud. I added my own little personal touch to it. So again, I'm here. I'm gonna have a lot of products already posted. Check the link under my bio. I got some products on Linktree. I'm going to be posting a calendar there as well where you guys can book your appointments with me. So I'm trying to put together a bunch of programs and packages for you guys. So anyways, I just want to jump on here and say, here's a spot, a place where we can hang out, have a cup of coffee, have a beautiful shake. And I even have one on the menu that's going to be Drini's Secret Shake. And it's pretty awesome. So anyways, guys, I'm pretty proud and honored how this is coming. There's still a ton of more work to do, but I'm up and running. And I look forward to serving this community and helping people out. Iron Life, love. Have a great night, guys.